Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Minecraft Survival. So today we are up to episode 11. Last time we left off doing a bit of landscaping to have more room to build some buildings for our little village. And while I was off camera I did some work. As you can see over there, I started building the barn that we spoke of earlier. And yes, I've had to do a bit of patch-up jobs around because annoyingly, while I was doing that, a few creepers exploded, and one was right in front of my house. So yeah. Hence why the path looks a little bit off, but I'll fix that once the dirt turns to grass, because it seems to be that that's the only way you can do a footpath. And here's proof. Another hole I've yet to patch up. I'll do that now actually, and then I'll show you what I've done of the barn. Oh, and I also gathered some extra supplies including iron because I'm hoping to make an anvil, because then once we start getting animals in, I could name some horses. And I'm not completely sure, but I think that you have to name the horses and mules and donkeys before you put the saddle on them, or before you tame them at least. I don't know how it works, but yeah. I might get rid of this pond too, actually. Yeah. And then I'll show you what I've done. Oops. So in this episode we will be continuing work on the barn, which means gathering supplies for it and working out where the paddocks and such will be. So I'm just gathering some extra dirt to fill in the pond. Oh, and just a quick announcement, everyone. It is actually my birthday coming up. So that means I'll be turning 24. Scary. But kind of exciting too, because I normally know what I'm going to get for my birthday. It's usually either art supplies or money, and both I'm happy with. So, yeah. So I may do, or try to do a special episode for that. I don't know. It depends on what happens at the time. is getting sunset, but there's still a tiny bit of time. Oops, I hit on the wrong level. Dang it. Oh well, I may have to do some work on that off camera. Okay, time to head inside. I don't want monsters spawning and have creepers blowing up my house. Okay. Now I'll put those seeds away. I'll just reorganize this for a bit. Get some extra cobblestone. I might get some extra food too. Okay. Look at the tools. Now I'll need a new shovel. Oops. I'm good for everything else. That is it, because the creeper nearly went into my house earlier. I was like, no, no, no. And then it blew up. Oh, there's chicken and sheep over there. And the pig still there. Okay. I might sort that out later. So here's what I've done of the barn so far. This is the best way I know how to do my own type of barn. And it seems to work pretty well in my other worlds anyway. Make some more land here. And I ran out of dirt. Figures. So I usually do the base of the walls wood, but this time I decided to try and see what stone looked like. And it actually looks not too bad. Okay. Should I make it one more higher? No, I've done it before. Nah. Just keep rid of this glass here. Okay, we'll put some... We'll do paddocks later. Or stalls, or whatever you want to call them. Okay. Get the cursor right. There. Ooh. It's always difficult getting that part. I need to get some more wood. So as I said in my previous episode, I'll get 2 of every animal. So that means pigs, cows, sheep. Now I may separate the white sheep from the coloured sheep. That way it's easier to breed the colours that I want. What am I doing? I need to get wood. I wasn't thinking. Okay. I'll leave those trees. I'll go over here. Oh, I'll collect the egg while I'm at it. I'll have to do like a staircase to get to this other island. Yeah, that was a glitch. Whoa! Happened again. This happened last time. I'll head back now. Got a decent amount. Nah, I need to make a boat. Oh yeah, and last time we found this cave that has a nice bit of coal inside. We'll just light it up a bit. And we'll get that later. Okay, so we'll head back. Make some planks. And yes, I've got up to level 11. I know it's experience points, but I call them levels. And what I usually like to do is put a stone on top of the wooden layer. Just to give it that nice bit of mixed texture. So we'll be finishing the roof in the next episode, and then sorting out the paddocks or stalls. And maybe even starting to gather animals. But that will have to be all for today, guys. So if you liked, please leave a like and comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. So thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day. So see ya!